Hello and welcome back to Science Magic. Today we are going to show you how to make ice cream using dry ice and liquid nitrogen. Let's get started. We are going to begin with the dry ice method. For this method you need half and half sugar, milk if you want it, and your choice of flavoring. First, mash up the dry ice until it is in tiny pieces. Put it into a bowl. The next step is up to you. If you want soft dry ice cream, add milk, but if you don't, then don't add it. Add half and half and the flavor concentration. We are using vanilla. Finally, add the sugar. Mix it up. Pour the dry ice in and continue to mix. Once the bubbles are gone, you have dry ice cream. Okay, enough of those things. The next method is the liquid nitrogen method. For this, you will need sugar, half and half, your choice of flavoring, and a mixer machine. First, add the half and half, sugar, and your flavoring. We are using vanilla. Start mixing at medium or speed 2 to 3. Once you have an even consistency, pour the liquid nitrogen into a mixer. After about 7 minutes, you will have your ice cream. Hey guys, thanks for watching Science Magic. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.